Hello students, today we will study about financial institutions. What is financial institution? Financial institutions are those organizations that are involved in providing various type of financial services or to their customers. The financial institutions are controlled and supervised by the rules and regulations delineated by government authorities. These are the various financial institutions. First is bank, stock exchange firms, credit unions and insurance companies, etc. Financial institutions deal with the various financial activities associated with bonds, debentures, stock, loan, risk, diversification, insurance, hedging, retirement planning, investment, portfolio management, and many other type of related functions. With the help of their function, the financial institution transfer money or funds to various tiers of economy and thus play a significant role in acting upon the domestic and international economic. For carrying out their business operations, financial institutions implement different type of economic models. They assist their clients and investors to maximize their profit by rendering appropriate guidance. Financial institutions also impart a wide range of educational programs to educate the investors on the fundamentals of investment and also regarding the valuation of stock, bonds, assets, foreign exchange and commodities. Financial institution can be both private and public in nature. Financial institution is that type of an institution which performs the collection of funds from private investors and public investors and utilizes those funds in financial assets. The function of financial institutions are not limited to a particular country. Instead, they have also become popular in abroad due to the growing impact of globalization. Financial markets. Financial market in very crude term is a place where the saving from various sources like household, government and corporate are mobilized toward those who need it. Alternatively put, financial market is an intermediary which directs funds from the savers to the borrowers. In other words, financial market is the place where assets like equities, bond, currencies, derivatives and stock are traded. Some of the salient features of financial market are transparent pricing, basic regulation on trading, low transaction cost, and market determined prices of traded securities. Major players in financial market, the main participant in the financial market are as follows. Banks, largest provider of funds to business houses and corporate through accepting deposit. Insurance companies issue contracts to individuals or firms with a promise to refund them in future in case of any event and thereby invest their funds in debt, equity, properties, etc. Financial companies engage in short to medium term financing or business by collecting funds by issuing debentures and borrowing from general public. Merchant banks, funded by short term borrowings, lend mainly to corporations for foreign currency and commercial bills financing. Companies, the surplus funds generated from business operations are majorly invested in money market instruments, commercial bill and stock of other companies. Mutual funds acquire funds mainly from the general public and invest them in money market, commercial bill and shares. And government authorized dealers basically look after the demand supply operations in financial market, also work to fill in the gap between the demand and supply of funds. Financial services. The finance industry provides a number of services to the clients. There are different type of financial services company to provide these services to different commercial sector as well as to the individuals. There are different type of financial services like lending money for different purpose: insurance, depository services, mortgage services, investment services, credit rating services, and many more. The different type of financial services company jointly create one of the largest industries of the world. There are number of financial services companies in the world. Some of these companies are the following: investment services company, insurance company, bank, etc. Now let's read all these services in detail. uh, First is bank. It is one of the biggest financial services companies of the world. There are different type of banks in the world. Some of these are commercial bank, private bank, and corporate banks, and many more. There are some banks that work for the capital markets only. Bank provide a number of financial services to the clients. These services include depository services, lending services, credit card facilities, and many more. These services are provided for both the individuals and the commercial sector. Insurance companies. The insurance companies provide the client with risk coverage services. These services are designed to cover a number of risks that are related to an individual's life, property, and many more. These services are not only designed to provide securities, but at the same time, there are a number of insurance plans that are designed to provide regular income to the client. The insurance policies can be divided in several types like general insurance, life insurance, commercial insurance, and a lot more. Credit rating agencies. The credit rating agencies are those firms that evaluate different type of financial services companies. These ratings are based on a number of factors like the kind of services, risk factor involved with the services, customer facilitation, and many more. A financial instrument is a legal document identified by checks, draft, bonds, shares, bills of exchange, futures or options, contract, etc., which has a monetary value. The agreement is signed between two parties regarding payment of money and specified conditions. Categories of financial instrument. The financial instrument can be broadly classified under three categories: equity based, categorized by ownership of assets; debt based, loan from an investor to the owner of assets; foreign exchange instrument, unique instrument dealing with financial currencies. Type of financial instrument: mutual fund. It is an investment scheme in which a group of people collectively invest fund with a predetermined objective. The pooled money is again invested in stock, bond, short-term money market instrument, and other securities by the mutual fund complexes. The major advantage in such an investment plan lies in its cost effectiveness, risk diversification, professional management, and sound regulation. Bonds. Bonds are debt-based financial instruments bearing interest on maturity. The organization or companies generate fund by issuing bonds with fixed interest rate for a definite period of time. Bonds have a maturity period of 1 year, which distinguishes them from other debt service securities like commercial papers, treasury bills, and money market instruments. Bonds are issued by both private companies and government organizations. Usually, government bonds are safe for investment due to their low risk, fair return. Cash equivalents. The name itself suggests that this is the most liquid investment option. These are the assets that can be readily converted into cash. Money market holding short-term government bonds on treasury bills, commercial paper, etc., are few example of cash equivalent. Deposits. These are investment avenues where surplus funds are invested in banks or post offices. The risk associated are the lowest in cash, but are the return on such deposits. Thank you so much.